AVIC commercial aircraft company held a ceremony in its Composite Manufacturing Center to mark the first delivery of Boeing 777 empennage tips and the new contract signing of Boeing 777X empennage forward torque box panels. Boeing 777 empennage tips program was reached through close collaboration between Boeing, SACC, and Aviation Industry Corporation of China, or AVIC International. It was also the first international program with a metal bonding work accomplished by SACC. SACC has produced airplane components for Boeing since 1990, starting with cargo doors for the 757 and expanding to complex empennage manufacturing. Over the past 30 years, Boeing has purchased more than $2 billion in airplane components and assemblies from China, making it the largest foreign customer for China's growing aviation manufacturing industry. AVIC International was born from its predecessor, China National Aero Technology Import and Export Corporation, while SACC, located in the city of Shenyang in northeast China, is a subsidiary of AVIC and a manufacturer of commercial airplane airframe structures, engaged in the design, test, production, sales, aftermarket service, and import and export trade related to commercial airplane parts and components in China.